Now here is a question on piggy bank. That is question number 10. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coins. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 50 rupee 1 coins, 20 rupee 2 coins, and 10 rupee 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin, first one will be a 50 paise coin, second one will not be rupees 5 coin? I have to write here I hope you all understand what is piggy bank. A plastic pig will be there, and on its back there will be one hole through which you can put the coins, because inside it will be hollow. Inside it will be hollow, right? So this is called as what? Piggy bank. Piggy bank. So inside this there will be coins now. Which coins are there? 50 paise coins, 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins, and 5 rupee coins. So right here, number of fifty paise coins is equal to 100. Number of rupee 1 coins, 50.
Number of rupee 2 coins is 20 and number of rupee 5 coins is 10. Therefore, total number of outcomes is sum of number of different types of coins in piggy bank, that is 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10 equal to 180. In first part we have to calculate probability of obtaining 50 paise coin, since number of 50 paise coins is 100 and the total number of outcomes is 180. Probability of obtaining 50 paise coins will be 100 by 180, which when simplified becomes 5 by 9. In second part we have to obtain probability of obtaining not a rupee 5 coin. For that what we will do is, we will calculate probability of obtaining rupee 5 coin and then we will subtract it from 1 Now probability of obtaining rupee 5 coin is number of rupee 5 coins divided by total number of coins, that is 10 by 180. Let us call it as P of E. Therefore, probability of obtaining not a rupee 5 coin, P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E, and P of E is 10 by 180. Substituting 1 minus 10 by 180, that is equal to 17 by 18 after simplification. Here I have to take LCM and simplify. LCM will be equal to 180. That means here you have to multiply it by 180 and divide by 180. So 180 minus 10 will become 170. Denominator will be 180. 170 by 180 will be 17 by 18 because 0 will cancel.